In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must put on some text, and you can do this by going to Vector here on the left-hand side up top, and you want to click on this text tool here, and you want to select this text frame tool, and then just basically put on some area here, and you can just type in whatever you want, okay? I just created this over here, so I don't need this. There we go. And then whenever you have your text, you want to simply click on your text, double-click it to actually select where you want to change the font, and then to change the font up top left you can see it's going to say something. By default for me it's Arial, so I can just click on that and it's going to pop up a lot of different fonts over here, and I can now choose between these whichever one I want. Now of course you could go ahead and filter by recent, used, and favorites, and if you want to add the favorites you can just use this hard button here, and this will basically add your fonts into favorites so we can find them right away. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.